Hello friends, work and time series. Here is one another question. If 5 men or 19 women complete a work in 19 days, in how many days 3 men and 6 women will complete the same work? This means that 5 men and 19 women. 5 men 5 men and 19 women can complete the same work. This means that 5 men can complete a work in 19 days. Similarly, 19 women can complete the same work in 19 days. In how many days 3 men and 6 women? This means that 3 men and 6 combine of men and women 3 and 6 will complete the same work. Here we can solve this question in different methods. One of them I will discuss with you. This means that 5 men can complete a work in 19 days. This means that their per day work will be 1 upon 19. Their per day work will be 1 upon 19, and here 5 men can do this work in 19 days. So one man can do the same work in 1 upon 19 multiplied by 5. Okay, this means that one man can do this work in 1 upon 95 days. 1 upon 95 days. So for the woman is 19 women can complete the work in 19 days. So their per day work will be 1 upon 19. So as the women are 19, so one woman can do the same work in 1 upon 19 multiplied by 19. Okay, so the answer is 1 upon 171 days. One woman can complete the work in 171 day, yani ki I mean per day. Okay, so what will be the 3 men plus 6 women can complete the same work? So as the previous method, we are very familiar with the solution method. This will be equal to 3 upon as men are 3 upon 95 plus 6 upon 171. Okay, so by solving this equation, we can find out that by LCM 270 multiplied by 30 upon 855. So the answer is 3 men plus 6 women is equal to 1 upon 15. As this work is on per day, so we will invert 1 upon 15. 3 men plus 6 women's combined work will be 15 days. So this is our answer.